Welcome. We are starting 6-2. I can solve real-world percent change problems. So the main topic here we're looking at is percent change. So we'll look at a couple examples. So question number 1. What is the percent change from $55 to $65? So first step, we want to set up our percent as a fraction. We set it up as amount of change, so the actual amount that it changed by, over the original amount, and that's how we're going to calculate our percent of change. So to find that amount of change, we just do the second number minus the first number, which gives me an answer of 10. And then my denominator, or my original number, was 55 here. So in our calculators, we're going to type 10 divided by 55 to change it into a decimal, and then we want to go all the way to a percent, so we're going to multiply times 100 to give us our percentage. So 10 divided by 55 times 100 gives me an answer of 18.18%. And we want to always say, is this an increase or a decrease? So from 55 up to 65 would be an increase. So our money increased by 18.18%. Question number 5. A pair of shoes originally cost $235 and now are on sale for $176.25. What is the percent change in price? So original amount, or amount of change, over original amount means we need to do some subtraction again. So I'm going to subtract 176.25 minus 235, which gives me an answer of 58.75. I do get a negative number here, but I'm not going to worry about that. That's just a clue. I know I'm going to be doing, this will be a decrease. And then my original amount was 235. So in my calculator, I'm going to do 58.75 divided by 235 times 100 to convert that fraction into a percentage. So 58.75 divided by 235 times 100 gives me an answer of 25%. And then we talked about it's a decrease. And we can see that from the numbers. It's on sale, right? So it's a decrease. And then number 6, Silver State Bakery sold 600 cupcakes during December and only 300 during January. What was the percent change? So again, we're going to do amount of change over original amount. So the amount of change we would calculate by doing 300 minus 600, which gives me negative 300. So I'm just going to say, okay, I know it's a decrease, and my amount of change was 300. My original amount is 600. So in my calculator, I'm going to do 300 divided by 600 times 100. Lots of hundreds there. And that's going to give me an answer of 50% decrease in cupcake sales. All right, that's it for this section. So we just talked about how we can solve real-world percent change problems.